Welcome to our webinar, Learn the First 4 Important Definitions in the Toastmasters Pathways Curriculum. We're going to be covering 4 definitions in this short video. First one is answering the question, what is Pathways? Pathways is the main Toastmasters International Learning Curriculum. Okay, well, what is a path? A path is one of the 11 separate curricula offered within Pathways. All right, well, I thought Pathways was Basecamp. Aren't they the same thing? Not exactly. Basecamp is actually the online platform that Pathways uses. And the next term we need to know about, this is how we can start to make educational progress in our path, and that is we need to know what a project is. And a project, it includes the speech or speeches and other tasks required for completion and credit. We're going to dive right in. First one we mentioned, again, what is Pathways as the main Toastmasters International Learning Curriculum, and a path, again, being one of the 11 separate curricula offered within Pathways. In the Toastmasters Pathways curriculum, there are 5 core competencies that we try to provide value in Toastmasters in each of these paths in different degrees. They are public speaking, interpersonal communication, strategic leadership, management, and confidence. There are 11 paths that we talked about. These are the various curricula within the entire Toastmasters Pathways curriculum. They cover as their titles sound. So, for example, dynamic leadership, effective coaching, engaging humor, innovative planning, leadership development, motivational strategies, and the remaining 5, persuasive influence, presentation mastery, strategic relationships, team collaboration, visionary communication. Next definition, what is Basecamp? As we mentioned, it's the online platform that Pathways uses. I'm going to show you what that looks like and how to get to Basecamp. What you need to do, being the online platform that Pathways uses, is we need to go to Toastmasters.org, as indicated at the top, and then click on Login, shown by the other arrow. Once you do that, you will see this option to type in your member ID or email, then your password just below that, and then click Login. Now, naturally, there are many things that you can do when you go to Toastmasters.org. In this case, you're going to click on Pathways. Then you're going to click on Go to Basecamp. Then further down the screen, you'll be prompted one more time, and you'll, on that button as well, click Go to Basecamp. Congratulations, you are now logged into Basecamp. That's what this looks like. The next and final definition, what is a project? As indicated earlier, this includes the speech or speeches and other tasks required for completion and credit. Good news is you already know how to get there. So you're just at your home page in your Basecamp that you just logged into. And to get to your first project, you click on Paths and Learning. You are looking for the education aspect. That's where your projects are housed. So again, you click on Paths and Learning. And I was doing the leadership development path at the time, as you can see on the far left. So I want to open that curriculum. You could kind of think of the curriculum like a book. You want to open this book to see what's in there. So we click on Open Curriculum. And the first project, which is what we promised, is really, it's going to be your speech, the things that you'll be doing to gain credit. So at that point, you would simply click on Launch. Now, this short video is not designed to get in every little detail. This is more of an overview to give you an idea of what these words mean. Just to let you know what this project is, called the Icebreaker. This is typically the first speech that we do in Toastmasters. Those that have been in Toastmasters for a while are going to recognize this name. It was the first speech that you did probably when you were in the former curriculum, the traditional program. As well, it's going to be the first speech you do if you're a brand new Toastmaster. And the purpose of this particular project, in this case speech, is to introduce yourself to the club, learn basic structure of a public speech. What you'll be doing in this is you'll write and deliver a speech about any topic just to introduce yourself to the club, get your feet wet essentially. Your speech may be humorous, informational, or any other style that appeals to you. It's a 4 to 6 minute speech. I very much appreciate your watching this video, your contribution in Toastmasters. A quote that really means something to me. I hope it means something to you. I just want to leave you with, which is learn to be thankful for what you already have while you pursue all that you want. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section of this video. Thank you.